And so now you can imagine that you would be able to build out documents, and you can also do this in PowerPoint and Excel, from different skills, from your chat history, across your interactions, and also on the fly, which is quite powerful. But what if we could automate this even further and I didn't have to go and build this in and go and insert it? Well, the nice thing is that QorusDocs has got some AI-powered templates in Word and in PowerPoint. So I'm going to go and do that now with our RFP response document. So again, fast forward, we've done the bid, no bid decision, and now we're going to do our RFP response. So I'm going to go back into our pursuit and go to our recommended content this time. These are recommendations that of content and templates that Chorus has made based on the stage of the deal, and you can configure this to take into account a lot of different factors. It's really a powerful enablement tool for your team. I'm going to use this one here and go ahead and create that. What it does is it brings up a form on my side. And in this form, one of the first things I'll be doing is selecting documents that I'd like the QorusDocs AI or QPilot to use for context. So what I will do is use the Blue Sky Energy RFP that we received, and I can go and select more. And I'm going to click on Run QPilot. And what that does is right now it is generating writer's notes for the executive summary. It's extracting key current challenges. It's also extracting questions from the RFP. And it's accomplishing all of these different tasks sequentially, like one after the other, and populating different areas on my Word template. While I'm here, I'm also going to select which team members I'd like to have, and I can select some bios from here. I'm going to choose bios from the commercial team and technology, and let's apply that. I'm going to select Nicole, Jolene, and perhaps David. And there we have it. So I've selected their bios now, and you'll see what that data looks like in a moment. But right here, while I'm busy assembling this, I can choose, well, what kind of layout do I want? Do I want to have it look like this, or do I want it to have more of a full page layout? And I could have a bunch more, but I'm going to choose card layout for this one. And then the rest of the information here has been pulled in from my CRM, which is why it's grayed out. So I can't edit this. The source of truth is Salesforce in this case. And then we've got other information that I provided when I created this collaborative workspace. I gave the proposal back. We have a choice field for energy and some other information here. So when I click continue, I can give it a name. So let's call this draft response for Blue Sky. And I could choose to generate this as Word or PDF, but I want to edit it further. So we'll go Word and hit create. And now what QorusDocs will do is take all that information and the AI generated content within that form and put it in the right places in the document, so that my response template is pre-populated. It's got the right sections, and it's opening in my other screen. I'm just bring it here, and it's going to open it up directly in Word. And from here, I can carry on working, collaborating, and editing it. And it's on my other screen. And let's bring it. There we go. And here it is. And so this is our RFP response for Blue Sky Energy. The information that was pre-filled in the form is all in here. The AI part, which I find really exciting because it's taken the actual client's document. It's not the same as having boilerplate in your content library, which you still need. Very, very important even. But it will take that boilerplate, will take your methodology, and it will craft something that is really specific for this customer. So it's a whole other level of personalization and enablement for your team rating. So you can focus on purpose. So here are the writer's notes where it's taken out the key challenges. It's referring to which section it's taken those out from, the client's goals, the solution, the differentiators, tone and style. And with this, I can really go and write something that's very specific and tell a very good story with all of this guidance. And if I wanted, I could even feed this back into QPilot and have QPilot help me generate that summary, generate the executive summary and refine it and check it against frameworks and develop it further.